Hello, hello, welcome. Welcome to my live. Hello, welcome. Feel free to introduce yourself. Let me know where you're reaching us at. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, happy Sunday. Welcome. Please send a message and let us know where your message is from. Where you're signing on TikTok from. Welcome. My name's John Robert. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions in Tampa, Florida. We're an affordable credit repair and restoration company. We serve the entire United States. Welcome. Please tell us where you're joining us from. We are an affordable credit repair company in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. And just wanted to talk to you about a few things today. And then I'll be happy to answer any credit questions you may have. This is not my first live on social media, but first live on TikTok. I finally qualified, so I get to do lives now. Um, Today I wanted to talk to you about credit utilization. Um, you probably have open credit cards. This is one calculation that's totally in your hands and how you can destroy your credit or build your credit. If you have open credit cards, your overall percentage, you need to keep that below 30% at all times. And just so you understand what I mean, at the top of every bank statement or credit card statement, you see from this date to this date. Let's just say from May 1st to May 31st or May 30th. Um, in this example, May 30th would be the picture that goes to the credit bureaus. So even if you use your credit cards throughout the month, you want to keep those low before the 30th because that's the picture that goes off to the credit bureaus. The reason that's very important, that goes hand in hand with the FICO score. If you're high on your utilization, you're low on your FICO score. If you're low on your utilization, you're high on your FICO score. That's even more important. It tends to muffle your good stuff. Let's say you have a car payment that you make and you're faithfully making it on time. Let's just say you're supposed to get 20 points for making that car payment on time. Before they post that, they recognize that your credit utilization is high and you may only get 10 points for that act of good. If I'm working with somebody with credit repair, as an example, maybe I get a deletion. Collections are 60 to 80 points. They may not know that I got it deleted because they're 90% utilization. Most of America is living on their credit cards right now because we're experiencing one of the worst economies we've ever had. in our lifetime. So um, try to, if you're high on your utilization, try to get your credit cards down below 30% and keep them below 30%. And again, if you're one, maybe you're an entrepreneur, you like to use your credit cards throughout the month, just make sure they're below after that end date on your statement. And that will ensure that you'll notice a few months of that if you're doing that. Um, that's going to help you tremendously. The best scenario, and I'm not only a credit repair owner, but I'm also a math teacher's son. This is all a math equation. But your best scenario, even if you're sitting on zero, that's not a good thing because that's not giving them an indication of how well you're doing with your credit cards. Um, so your best option is to, I call it the candy bar game. Go out once a month, get a candy bar, wait until, because the candy bar hopefully is only going to cost you $3 or $4. Wait until, let that be the picture that goes to the bureaus, and then pay the candy bar off. That's going to put you at 1 or 2%. Indirectly, it's going to be pushing up your FICO score. If you do that 2 or 3 months in a row, that's going to help you tremendously. It's never going to take the place of credit repair, never going to take the place of credit building that you may need, but it is solely in your hands. If you can keep that very low, that's going to help to push up your FICO score. So kind of in summary, I don't know how to switch this around, but here is a sample credit card. This is all you have to spend is 1/3 of that. These two, you don't. This is not yours. This is all you have. And I know you say, why did I get a credit card? I'm just telling you how the system works. If you have plans of getting a house or anything in the future, this is important that you master this. I want to tell you one more thing, and then I'll be happy to answer some of your questions. Everything I just told you so far is credit utilization is based on the last 30 days. Last year, at the first of the year, they told Fannie and Freddie in the mortgage industry for them to update their FICO calculations. Most of your mortgage brokers are going by FICO 8, which is it's kind of outdated, but it's been kind of the standard for quite some time. We're actually up to FICO 10T. And the reason that's important to you, everything I just told you, if you go to get a house and your mortgage broker's upgraded to the new FICO 10T, they're not going to just look at the last 30 days. They're going to look at the last 2 years. They're going to see, did you consistently keep your credit cards high? Did you go out and get a loan to pay your credit cards? So that's even more important because your utilization is 30% of your FICO score. So if you're always maxing out on your credit cards, and maybe you always go get a loan to get your credit cards or to pay off your credit cards, that's going to hurt you. So maybe you go to apply for a mortgage, you only get a 650 when in reality you should be 700s. So if I can help you with, I answer advice even if you don't hire me. I'm always happy to help, and happy to help you to get your goals. I give free consultation. We're open 7 days a week. Feel free to give me a call. My number is on my profile, but it's 813-317-6776. And again, keep your utilization below 30%, and that'll be a huge plus on trying to get your goals. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. And if not, I thank you for checking in. Thank you for your time today. I'm going to be trying to do some lives in the future, hopefully days or every day, shortly, and try to give you some hints, answer your questions. And out of fairness, nobody got financial literacy in school, so if I can help to get you on the right path, I'd be happy to. I like to celebrate your successes in the future, even if we only work together a short time. But feel free to ask questions here in the live, or if you want to message me, you're welcome to text me also with questions. 813-317-6776. And again, keep your utilization below 30%. It will help to raise your credit scores. I'd be happy to help you answer your questions. And thanks for joining us today. And I'll see you on future lives. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to like, follow, and share the live, even if you're listening to a recording at a later time. I'd be grateful. I'm trying to raise my follow count so that I can continue to help people. Hello, welcome. Looks like we don't have any questions. If I can ever help you, again, my name's John. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. My direct number is 813-317-6776. We're open 7 days a week till 12 o'clock midnight. If you're listening live, or if you're listening on a recording, please remember to like, follow, and share. And look forward to seeing you on future lives. Thanks for your time.